Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Automations. What is an automation? It's real simple. It's a trigger and reaction form. All you gotta do is just come here where it says automations. Once you come where it says automations, we can come here to the right upper part where it says create workflow. And then we can either select a recipe or start from scratch. So right now I'm gonna start from scratch so you can have an idea as to what it is. We have a trigger, right? What would be the trigger? You can click in here and it will give you different options. We have endless possibilities of what you can do with automations. Let's just say this is everything that you can do regarding a contact. If any of these things happen at a contact level, it will trigger another action to happen. We have these events, appointments, opportunities, affiliates, courses, payments, and you can add filters. So this will only work when you receive a payment for the product test. Or if you want to trigger something that happens every single time you receive a payment, you can just do this. So every time you receive a payment, something is going to happen. What do you want to happen? You come here where it says plus, and you click here, and now you can choose what you want to happen. You can create a contact, find a contact, update a contact. Communication, you can send an email, send an SMS, send a Slack notification, make a call, you add notes, you can send, and then if you want to customize the name, you can just go here where it says custom values and do contact first name. So this will be, hey John, hey Jake, hey Carlos. We just received your payment. Thank you. Say that. And then you can name this SMS to clients. Now you can do email. You can send also an email. Then on the email, you can choose the name that they're going to see. In this case, you can put Taskify from email, info at gotaskify.com. Subject, payment received. And then you can just choose what to write. You can write it with AI. You can come in here where it says click. You can make it friendly. And then you say, write an email thanking the new client for their payment and for doing business with my company. And you can generate the email. Hey, that's going to give you this. You can use email. There you go. Hey, contact, thank you for your recent payment and for choosing to do business with us. We truly appreciate it. Yada, 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 and all of this. Your name, in this case, is going to be the name of the user, your position, or you can just, your company. Or you can just go ahead and, change this, just put in your name, Carlos. Yeah, right. And then you can also send yourself a notification to your team on Slack, and you can connect it, or you can just go ahead and send an internal notification. Internal notification is a notification to you or your team. So you can either do an email notification or SMS. Remember, this SMS here is to clients or sellers or buyers or whoever. This is to yourself or any custom number that you want. And now, you can also create recipes that we already have. Here it is. You can import from my campaign. You can, this is preloaded ones that we already have. You have this one, recipe Facebook comments. So you can click on it, and every time somebody comments on one of your posts, it's going to trigger this workflow. So the trigger is every time somebody comments, then it's going to analyze the sentiment, and then it's going to send messages. So that is one kind of similar a little bit to ManyChats, but you can have multiple of these different workflows that you can create. You can just go crazy with anything that you want to do in here. And if at some point you have something too specific that you want, let us know. We can help you build. Now, once you come into Taskify, you will have preloaded automations, depending if you're a real estate professional or contractor. We will have some automations ready for you. So that's just one of the things that we have. So if you ever need anything or any help building a workflow or automation, let us know.